Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I listened to the new Taylor Swift album, pulled out a palette, and created a look. Starting by priming with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I wanted color, so I grabbed the Morphe James Charles palette and went in with the shade Single through the crease. Deepening the outer corner with the shade Escape. Packing Artistry, a sparkly purple with blue glitter all over the lid. Highlighting the brow bone with the metallic cream shade, Ring Light. Repeating the same thing on the other eye. I got distracted by the music and did one eye at a time. Have any of you listened to the Tortured Poets Department yet? What are your favorite songs? I don't think I can even pick a top 5 yet, being a double album with 31 songs and they're all amazing. So far I'm thinking, Down Bad, Guilty as Sin, So Long, London, I Look in People's Windows, But Daddy, I Love Him, and Cassandra. Starting my base with the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Spackle Primer. Concealing and spot covering with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Fair Beige. I'm still so impressed with the coverage. I've been working on clearing up my acne and hopefully this summer I'll have less to cover. Using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose. I'm blushing before foundation to create more of a natural flushed look. I loved how it turned out. For my base, I'm mixing the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. For the most part, I'm keeping it off the blush and only doing a sheer layer over to make sure everything is blended. This makes me want to try underpainting. It's where you do harsher contour and blush, then apply a thin layer of foundation over for a softer, more blended look. Pressing in the Coty Air Spun Translucent Powder with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Powder Puff. The powder puff is actually a game changer. I filmed a clip after almost 8 hours with the makeup on, and my face wasn't oily at all. I'll have the clip at the end of the video. Using a fluffy brush to set the rest of my face and dusting away extra powder. Bronzing up with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. I kind of layer it with the blush. With being more fair, I have to be careful that bronzers don't turn orange. Softening with residual powder. Adding the blush topper for a pinky glow. I like a lot of blush lol. Adding a blinding highlight and bringing it up to the brow bone. Highlighting the high points where lighting hits. Framing my bottom lash line with the shade Escape. Bringing the shade Ring Light on the inner, third and inner corner. Setting my base with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I think it's time to tint my brows. The tails are almost blonde again lol. Using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel to set them in place all day. Lining and tight lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes with my favorite mascara, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I swear this is like a tubing mascara, it just melts off but doesn't transfer or budge. Lining and filling in my lips with the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha. Topping the liner with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. How the makeup looked at noon when I finished it. How the makeup looked after 7.5 hours. Thank you so much for watching.